So my name is Stephen Davis and I'm the Chief Executive of Penderyn Distillery. It's about producing world-class spirits. That's what we want to do. To do that, you have to tell a great, authentic story. And particularly in malt whisky, knowing all the components of the whisky are very important. So how is it made? What kind of stills we have? Where does the water come from? What's the locality like? Where was the whisky matured? All of these things go into producing a world-class product. We talk about Wales when we talk about Penderyn. We talk about the myths and legends of Wales, about the history, about the rich culture that we have. We have a great spirit, really truly world-class spirit, beautiful designs which are done by a Welsh designer, and a Welsh character to the spirit which gives it some great individuality. So having individuality as part of the brand is important. Having a .Wales extension has given us another component of that. In Wales, we want people to know that we're proudly a Welsh company and that we are proud of being, we want to appeal to people in Wales. But the message has got to carry it on an international scale. So yeah, having that .Wales extension helps to convey where we're from. And being in Wales rather than Scotland, Ireland, Kentucky, or anywhere these days, because whiskey's made in many countries around the world, being in Wales is a really important part of that story for us.